Large Oracle environments face multiple performance bottlenecks at the same time. Long-running queries, indexing challenges, heavy workloads, and purge constraints can quickly affect system stability and user experience. In our recent webinar, we explored how organizations address these challenges using targeted database optimization strategies. Here's a quick preview of what you missed.
So here, the problem areas and solution with database optimization. So we are covering in solutions in action. Every problem area you see here represents a major bottleneck where our customers typically face a slow query, heavy XLA index dependencies, high system utilizations, reorg failures, and tight purge windows. Here, what makes Rapidflow different is that we don't rely on generic fixes and we engineer targeted, situation-aware solutions. For long-running queries, we bring in custom processing logic, smart SQL paths, and selective indexing to cut runtimes from hours to minutes. Where XLA indexing impacts downstream tables, we redesign the index strategy to stabilize dependent workflows. High system utilization is addressed through optimized CPU allocation, a parallel processing, and better thread orchestration. So the system stays responsive even during heavy jobs. And reorg failures due to large objects are handling using structural optimization and post-purge index rebuilds to reclaim space and improve I/O throughput.
What you've just seen is only a glimpse of the full discussion. In the complete session, we demonstrate how organizations reduce query runtimes, stabilize indexing strategies, optimize system utilization, and improve database efficiency through structured optimization approaches. Watch the full webinar using the link in the caption.